Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix yellow tint on screen in Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. If you're using S21 Ultra and you're facing this type issue that in your phone screen you might see a yellow tint or a yellow color, so let's see how can you fix it. You just have to scroll in Control Center and you might see eye comfort shield here. You can also go ahead to your settings here, go to search and make sure that your eye comfort sheet is not enabled. You just have to click on it and just disable this from here. Once you have disabled, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, go to screen mode here and select natural from here. You have to make sure that you are selected vivid. So you have to keep in mind that you haven't maximized it, or you have to set it to default like in this center here. And in advanced setting, you have to also make sure that these are as equal and your vividness is also is slow. Or the best thing I recommend you have to select a natural from here, then go back from here and go to accessibility and here go to visual enhancement or vision enhancement, and here you might see your color correction or your color filter. You have to make sure that your color correction is disabled and your color filter is also disabled from here. But if you're still not fixing the issue, your issue still persists, it is the only single way which can fix the issue. Just go to settings, scroll down to and then go to general management and click on reset here, and then click on reset all settings. Click on reset settings and then click on reset settings again to confirm to reset your settings. So basically it will completely reset your phone setting, including your network settings, your app setting. It will not delete any kind of your data like your photos, videos, your apps must be saved, but your app settings and your phone setting will be deleted or will be reset. So once you have done, your screen's issue will be also reset. Your screen will be reset, so you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.